Hi and welcome to this video where I'll be asking the question, is Vero the right platform today for photographers? I recently started using it and this is my initial thoughts and the reasons I believe that we should be starting to use Vero as photographers. And I'm going to guess that as you're already here watching this video, you're either a photographer interested in Vero or interested in photography. So let's get on with those reasons. I'm actually at one of my favourite nature reserves. I'll just head off over this canal and get down to the nature reserve and we'll go through those reasons. We're in one of the viewing areas of the nature reserve now, and this is a great location to discuss my experiences so far of the Vero platform and why I believe that as photographers we should be switching to Vero as a platform. And I guess if you're watching this, you're a photographer already or are certainly interested in photography and photos. I am out here, by the way. I'm in one of my favourite small nature reserves. There's red kites and herons flying around. There's a lot of insects. It's very wet as well, this one. Just filming a short YouTube video on some different aspects of photography. I do generally landscape, but I also do street and macro photography as well, and a variety of different ones. So a few weeks ago, a friend sent me a link to Vero and I kind of ignored it, thinking Instagram is the place to be. I've had this YouTube channel for a few months now and I've used Instagram for the last few months. I love YouTube, I love the creative process. I've never really got on with Instagram. However, I then saw a video, absolutely sold me on it. So after seeing that video, I connected to Vero probably about less than a week ago. Really totally love the platform, and these are the reasons why I believe that we should be starting to switch. This is just based on my experience of the past week, so this is by no means a definitive review, but this is just my initial thoughts as to why I believe photographers should be switching to Vero. First of all, the feed is superb. It's in chronological order, it's who I follow. I can easily search on new photographers using the hashtags. It's absolutely excellent for searching, so the feed is spot on. The quality of the images is also higher. Not only does it have higher spec upload, but also people posting and not posting oversaturated photographs, over-edited images. They're actually pretty damn good. The quality of photography on Vero, to my mind, from my experience, is a better one than I'm seeing on Instagram. Also, when I drop photographs onto Instagram, or when I drop photographs onto Vero, the community is so much more positive on Vero than on Instagram. I get very little impact. I did actually go into the insights component of Instagram just to see how it was going. And actually, a lot of my followers never see my posts. I don't know why that is. Probably because they're being fed a lot of ads that they don't want. Another thing that I found is that actually the connections that I've made already within the last week are really positive. There's a lot of good feedback. There's a lot of really good, as I've mentioned, photos on there, but there's a lot of really good feedback. And I really feel like I'm now part of a photographic community rather than just somebody to be farmed out, such as the Meta group are doing on their platform. So I'm really loving that. And finally, it's a fantastic way to find great photographs and inspiration for your own photography and to share your own photographs. Absolutely brilliant. Okay, so will it be around in the future? Who knows? There's definitely an uptick. There's a lot of activity around the Vero platform right now. It seems to be the place that photographers are heading for, which is great because it means that the community, the good community, is getting over there onto that platform. I certainly hope so, and to a degree it will be influenced by the community. So the more photographers we can get on there, the better the community, the better the platform will be for us all. So I believe that the future for Vero is a positive one if we start to populate this with our great images, follow and support each other. Absolutely brilliant. So anyway, those are my thoughts on Vero as a platform. I do hope that you found this video useful. I know from my experiences, Vero is something that I will be definitely investing my time in as a social platform going forwards. And thank you very much for watching. Remember that my Vero link is down in the description below, and I hope that you've found this useful. So please feel free to follow me, and also remember to like and subscribe to the channel. Your support for this YouTube channel as we grow is massively appreciated. And I will see you in the world of YouTube and Vero in the future. Thank you very much for your time.